Mio, those are clean pants. Mio, you can't lie on those clean pants. Mio, get off the pants. That's not getting off the pants. Oh, quit shedding. Getting hair. There you go. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you can lay there. That is not on the pants. You got it? Mio, what did I tell you about laying on the pants? Gotta not be on the pants. Be not on the pants. Be next to the pants. I'll do a little bit further. Thank you. See? See? You can lay adjacent to the pants. That's fine. You're a very good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. No. Should I kick him off? The damage is already done.
Yeah, some damage is already done.
I tried so hard.
I appreciate it.
Meow.
He's a cat and cannot resist sitting on things that are not just things.
Meow. Have we not talked about this? Oh my god. Alright, but when we hang those up, you're gonna have to move. Such an overdramatic cat.
You want to leave the pants. There's a Shinji right in front of him, so this could be disaster. Hey, Shinji.
Shinji wants to lie on the pants, though. Just to be in a different set of pants. Poke your butt. Oh, back on the pants.
Must sit on pants.
Yes, be on all of the pants. So fuzzy. I'm so curious what's happening. You gonna roller my cat?
He's like, what? Fuck the roller.
You gonna go walk all over the place now, buddy?
It's a shame you don't have more stuff on there.